Begin by locating the cardboard tube containing the stainless steel cage base if you purchased. To open the tube, use a hammer to dent the metal end cap inside the tube. Keep deforming the end cap by hitting the side of the tube until the cap pops out at the end of the tube. Now remove all the contents of the tube. The large angle piece with the numerous holes along the edge is the front, and the edges of all the holes will face up. The other large angle piece is the back, and the narrow angle piece is the diagonal brace. The two C-channel pieces are the front and back sections. Now position the pieces as shown on a flat floor area. The C-sections go on the bottom with the open side down, the large angle piece front and back, and the last small angle diagonally on top.